Hello everybody. Okay, so today we are back with a quick LangChain video. What I have for you today, we will be talking to a CSV. Now I know what you're thinking, I can easily import this into a pandas data frame and I can easily manipulate this to my heart's desire, but let's just say you have a friend who doesn't know how the fuck to code. We're going to show you how you can just give them a little something. It's honestly just fun to play with, to be totally honest with you. So personally, I'm making this video because I recently exported 6 years of training data. I've been lifting for almost a decade at this point, and I have 6 years of data in this CSV file from this app that I got. And so I was kind of curious, is there a way I can pair this sort of thing I'm doing with a video? And so here we are, and I figured let's use LangChain to load it up. And so LangChain provides a couple of ways to interact with a CSV. Now they have a CSV loader, but if you use the loader to load up the docs and whatever, you need to create a custom chain. What they also have here, they have their own CSV agent. And now, so this agent, we can take a look here in the repo. It's all the way in here. So if you're looking at the LangChain repo, you click into LangChain, you go to agents, and then this is an agent toolkit. And an agent toolkit is just a bundle of things kind of jiggered for you in a nice prepackaged thing that's really easy to use, so you don't have to roll your own solution. If we click on CSV here, we can look at what this really is. You can see it's pretty small. Literally all it's doing is creating a pandas data frame. So what we can do, we can click into this pandas data frame and see what's really going on here. Okay. And you can see it's in the same path. We're in agent toolkits. It's right here, this pandas one. You can look at this base.py. And so it takes a bunch of different things. You can pass in your callback manager, your prefix, your suffix, yada, yada, yada. You can see, we can take a look at this prefix here and see what is being passed in as the default. You can see right here, it says, you're working with a pandas data frame in Python. The name of the data frame is df. You should use the tools below to answer the questions posed to you. Suffix, yada, yada, yada. Input, agent scratchpad. Now the agent scratchpad is just a place for the agent to record things. It's kind of like a little working memory, kind of like a clipboard sort of thing. So if we come back, we can look at what else is going on here. You can see it gives you all the default stuff, and then you'll see this Python AST REPL tool. So this is just all you need to know. This is going to be the loop that allows it to write Python code and then execute it. That's what we're getting here for tools. We get a zero-shot agent as well. We have our LLM chain. We compose that into a zero-shot agent, and then we have this agent executor. We're using that to run the agent and tools and all these other fun things that we're getting as defaults. So that's what's going on under the hood. Like I said, you can use a CSV loader. If we come back, if we go to LangChain, we go to document loaders, CSV. We have a CSV loader, but this doesn't give you all the cool things out of the box like the CSV agent does. So I'm going to close this. We're going to come back. I have a little Jupyter notebook, and I have this CSV file here on my computer. We can run this, load it up. Let's make sure we've imported this. And now we can use this create CSV agent that we just looked at. Create the agent. I'm trying to, excuse me, I'm congested as fuck. Anyways, we just want to explore what's going on here. Usually you could be you could check the data frame's head. If you're non-technical and you just don't know what to do, you'd be okay, what are the columns here? We can run this, see what the columns we have from this file that the app outputted. You can see we have date, workout name, duration, exercise name, set order, weight, reps, distance, seconds, notes, workout notes, RPE, etc. I could ask it a simple question that I've loaded up here. List exercise names by frequency in descending order. So we can see I'm about to expose myself and see which exercises I'm doing the most of. Let's run this, and you can see we're just using natural language to query this, and it's going right here, action and at the thought. I need to count the number of times each exercise appears. Action, Python REPL AST. And you remember that was the tool that we saw that was loaded up under the hood. Action input, this is the Python code it's running. We're getting exercise name and counting the value counts, and It observes, okay, this is the answer. We can see, yeah, I'm really exposing myself. I've done almost 1,600 sets of bench press. Looks like bench press, bicep curls, overhead press, and like lat pull downs and calf raises are my top 5 exercises. I don't know what that says about me, but it probably means I need to squat more or something. This was a quick overview how to use CSV agent, just to like, it's honestly just a cool experiment. You can have this into your own workflow, and like, I'm sure there's a lot of other cool shit you can do. Honestly, I wanted to do it just because I was curious. I wanted to share with everyone here. That's going to be it for today. Deuces.